you guys? Today I'm doing a very exciting video. I am doing a room transformation. Now, you may be a subscriber from my previous room makeover video. I'll put it in the card here if you haven't checked it out already. It kind of blew up a little bit. That was a room transformation of my bedroom. Since I've started making more YouTube videos, I realized that I can't just film videos in my room. I mean, I could, but it's just, you know, I wanted more of a space for me to film, hang out in, take Instagram pictures. Sounds so shallow. I swear to God, it's just for business? It's not even business. It's not even a business yet. Anyways, I just wanted an area where I could take pictures, basically a second bedroom, if you will. I am transforming my dad's old office, which he so kindly gave up and let me, you know, snatch from him for this room. Before we start, let me show you the before. This room was my dad's office. There was even an arcade machine in here. Because of coronavirus, my mom had to start working from home, so she had a little desk in here too. So it was like both of their office, which was really inconvenient because this room is really small, at least for two people to be working like actual jobs in. And it was super cluttered. So not only is the before ugly, it is also really messy and just like not cute at all. I took inspiration from this room from Sarah Joy. She's a YouTuber. She did a room transformation as well, and it wasn't like a bedroom one. It was like a room like this that she could use for filming and stuff. So I loved how her room turned out. So a lot of my inspiration for this room was based on hers. So if you see hers and you see mine, you're like, oh my God, they're kind of similar. That is why. I'll leave everything that I got in the description box if you guys want to get the same furniture as me. Anyways, we begin this video shopping for furniture. Let's just get right into it. I'm currently at this store. It's called Struck Cube, I think. I don't really know how to say it, but I'll show you the things that we're gonna pick out. Some of the stuff we have to put on like order, and then we can't get it till like the end of June, which is really annoying, but a few things we can pick up right away, so I'm excited for that. So I'll show you what we're getting. First thing is this white chair. I'm really excited for this because I want it for like mirror selfies. That sounds so stupid, but I think it'll look really cute with like the theme of the room, which is kind of like white, gold, and I guess there's a little bit of pinks in there. This is the little side table that we're gonna put beside the couch. It's just white marble and it's got gold detailing at the bottom, I guess. And this is the couch that we're gonna buy. I don't think you can see it really on the phone, but it's actually like a light pink, kind of purplish, kind of mauve, velvety couch. So it looks really cute. It's got dark brown at the bottom and some gold. And then we're gonna buy these two pillows. They're like teddy bear material, and I think it'll look really cute with the chair that we're gonna buy. So we're at IKEA. We got the mirror. I feel really awkward vlogging on my phone, but we're gonna pick it up. Hopefully we can carry it, me and my mom, because I don't think we can. It's super heavy. I just got home. I am so tired. We just went to those two stores. We ended up buying the stuff. A lot of the things we won't get till late June, so this video is just gonna take a long time to film and finish, but that's okay. It's a work in progress. I'm so excited about the mirror though. It's so big. It's so nice. I didn't get much footage also because it's really hard to, considering this whole coronavirus social distancing situation. I think tomorrow we're gonna get the fluffy chair that I showed you guys because it's at a different location, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with my dad. I think he might just go by himself, so I might not vlog that. But once we have that, we still need the rug, the clothing rack, and I think that's all, I think. Oh, and the couch, The next day today, my parents are just gonna take me to Granville, which is the other location of the store, so we can go pick up the fuzzy chair. And I'm so excited because my rug came in today. It's from Wayfair, actually. Stealing my work mask because it looks much nicer than the blue ones that my parents want me to wear. We're at the store now. We're waiting in line because Corona. Once we're inside, we can get our chair, and then I think we're gonna leave. My dad's supposed to help me right now put some of this furniture together, like the table, and I think there's a few more things that I need help constructing, but he's in the hot tub right now, so I'm gonna let him be in there for a bit, and I'm gonna see what I can do in the meantime by myself here. You can only see the mirror in the background right now. I already showed you guys clips of it before, but I am obsessed with it. It is huge. Before we continue, I'm gonna put the rug on the floor. Oh. I think my cat likes it. Do you like it, Mishu? Yeah! So this is what it looks like in the room. To be honest, I thought it was gonna be like way bigger, so I don't know how I feel about it. But I'm just gonna leave it like this for now and see what my dad thinks about it. I'm gonna give you a little quick haul of the stuff that I got from IKEA. I got this white candle. It's from IKEA. It is just vanilla scented, but I think I'm gonna take off all the stickers on it. Ow! Cut me! I don't know if you can see it, but that was actually like a deep cut. It actually really hurt. Let's continue using scissors because I obviously can't do this the right way. So here's what the candle looks like. It's just white, clear, very cute. We also got this. This is from Struck Tube, I think. I don't even know how to say the name of it, but it's just this really cool, intricate pot thing. I think I can put a little cactus in there, so I really like this. We also got these two things. This is like a little like jar thing, but I think that this filled up with flowers would be so cute. And I think this might be from Urban Barn. I know these are for sure from Urban Barn. And they're just these like plastic tulips. I think these are so cute. Maybe we should have got more and a little bit taller so we could have just used these, but I think this with some real flowers would look so cute. We also got this huge plant. I don't know if you can see it, but it's huge and it's got these little like palm leaves in it. And it is fake, so we got this pot for it to go in. I don't know where that's gonna go, but probably beside the mirror, wherever it ends up going. We got some curtain panels. I don't know, they're really thin. They're just white. But let's continue to unbox these boxes that we have. Oh, and I forgot to mention this candle is also from Urban Barn, so we'll put that over there for now. And then let's open these bad boys. Look at him. He's loving this rug. I think he does.
Red lipstick always looks good when you try to fake a smile. Glitter dress makes me feel cute when I'm trying not to cry. I'll take a picture in my bedroom, then post it online. Tag location as LA. I'm living my best life. Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Show me.
It is now Saturday, June 27th. We are going to pick up the pink couch. I think that's one of the last big pieces of furniture that we need to get. Other than that, I think there is some like paintings that we want to get for the walls just because the walls are looking a little bit bare right now. I'm here with my dad. He's not here right now. He's actually inside the store, but we're gonna get the couch and then the room will feel a lot more like what it's supposed to look like. Woohoo! We got the chair. Guys, I'm obsessed with the couch. I don't wanna show you yet because I don't wanna expose the room before I give the little reveal. Honestly, I feel like this room will never be completely finished because I may end up buying stuff from like Amazon, but you'll just see it in future videos whenever I get something new. I'll tell you guys. Okay guys, you have seen the process, you have seen the before, you have seen all the hard work it took to make this room the beautiful room that it is. And now it is time to show you. It's the final reveal. It's the after of this whole room transformation. I'm just over this. I want to show you guys already because this video has taken me like a freaking month and I'm over it. Let's get right into it. Okay, should I turn the light on? First of all, this door is glass, so like, let's just not mind that. No privacy, but that's okay because I don't need privacy in this room, I guess. Actually, it's really awkward when I'm filming and my parents come in and start watching me film or like take pictures. That's awkward. But anyways, let's give a little overview. So first things first, you walk in and to your left, we have this beautiful clothes rack. Now, this is actually the same exact one that Sarah had in her video. I fell in love with it. I wanted it for myself, so here we go. So this is just what it looks like. I don't know what type of flower these are, but they're just fresh, natural flowers. They've got this super cute like packaging, so I really like the way that is. This candle is super cute. It is from Urban Barn. Don't mind my ratchet nails. And then I just have this bag up here. It's actually a crossbody bag, but I just took the straps off. This is from Princess Polly, and it is actually from the brand Peta and Jane. Then moving down, I just have a bunch of clothes here. I basically just picked a bunch of colorful clothing that I had. A lot of these are from Princess Polly. This is from Fashion Nova. This is from Brandy Melville, and these are from Yes Style. So I just have a lot of clothes there that that I've shown in my previous haul or like upcoming hauls or videos or pictures that I want to take in them. Right under, I have just a pair of shoes. These are my new shoes. I am obsessed with them. They're so white. These are the Nike, I think they're called Low Sage. I'm not sure. And this block is like so cool. It looks, I think, a little bit cooler than the regular like bar that they normally have. And then right under here, I just have some side purses. These are both from Shein. I think these are super cute and make an outfit look a lot nicer. Then I have these curtains. They're just like see-through. They basically don't really do anything, but they kind of cover some sunlight if that's what you want. On this side, we have the same kind of curtain, and then this chair. This is the wonderful chair that I showed in the store that I went into. It is so soft. It's so good for Instagram pictures. I love it. Behind here, I have this little candle. I don't know why it's behind here. I just don't know where else to put it, but it's like gold and it has room for a little candle, which I haven't even put in yet. Moving on, this beautiful mirror. I am obsessed with this mirror. If you need like a mirror in general, I highly recommend going to IKEA. I swear, I looked online trying to find a mirror that was huge and not that expensive. I think this was like $125, which is like expensive, but for a mirror, that is not expensive at all. And for how big it is, I love it. I'll put the measurements on here so you can see actually how big it is. But it is just so big. And then if you go up close here and say you were to take like an Instagram picture or something, you can literally see like everything. This is really ugly. I am aware of it, but we were gonna get a new one. But like light shopping kind of stresses me out because they all look the same but slightly different. We're just gonna pretend that it's like a nice little chandelier up there. Then we've got this plant. It's actually fake, which kind of sucks. Honestly, it would be better if it was a real plant, but it is what it is. It's from IKEA. Moving on, this is kind of a little wow factor of the room, I guess. And I put 2 white pillows on it. They're just like plushy. Honestly, this couch hits different. It is quite relaxing if I do say so myself. It is not huge, I'm aware. But for some Instagram pictures, like you can't tell me it isn't cute. Plus, when it's just me down here, great place to edit, great place to sit. Anyways, let's continue on to this side table. It's got my iconic purple light. I literally put this light in like every video. So this is what the little countertop looks like. I just have this little pot, which I'm actually holding like random stuff. I've got a bunch of phone cases. I've got glasses. This lamp, I believe, is from HomeSense. I'll link the purple light in the description box below because I know in my last room transformation, a lot of people asked me where it was from. I believe this is from Urban Barn. And I just have an IKEA candle, which my cat actually already broke, which is just so great. And then I just have another pair of glasses. These are from Shein. And last but not least, wonderful rug. This is from Wayfair. I think it is quite cheap for how big it is. I think it's just white, fluffy, and it is great for those floor mirror selfies. I'm not sure what I should put up on the walls. If you have any suggestions, let a girl know because I don't really know what to put. I was gonna put up some picture frames, and I just want to show you these because these are super cute and my mom actually like made them for me, so I thought I would show them for you. So I actually have a fan account on Instagram. So cute. It's called drawings_of_Fernanda. She makes like drawings of me, and my mom basically printed them out, made them bigger, and put them in these frames. So this is what they look like, and they're basically just like Instagram pictures that I have. And on these frames, they look so cute. So I might put these up on the wall. Not sure. Might put them here. Might put them over there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these yet. Whoever made this for me, I'm not sure the exact name of the person, but like thank you so much. I love you. I'm obsessed with these. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you got some inspiration if you are redoing your room or buying new furniture in general. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned.